Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CBSE Online Primary. Dear students, nowadays a lot of learning apps are available and Extramarks is one of them. This is quite familiar, right? It is a complete learning solution. Extramarks combines the goodness of the learning app and live classes to give you a seamless and wholesome learning experience. So why don't you try yourself? You can download the app from Play Store. You can also call 1800-102-5301 and register yourself. This learning app is loaded with animated videos, worksheets, practice papers and test papers also. Now let's begin today's class, Subtraction with Borrowing.
See what Ria and her little sister are doing. They are playing with marbles. Ria has 75 marbles. She gave 15 marbles to her little sister. How many marbles is Ria left with now? For solving these kind of questions, we follow some steps. Read the problem and understand it. What do you have to find out? We have to find out the number of marbles that are left with Ria after she has given some to her sister. Find the important information in these problems. The important information is that Ria had 75 marbles. She gave away 15 marbles. Decide what to do. Here, we need to find out how many marbles are left with Ria. So, we must subtract. Solve the problem. 75 minus 15 equals 60. Answer: Ria is left with 60 marbles. Check your answer. Does your answer make sense? Have you calculated it correctly? Ria has less marbles after she gave some to her sister. The answer makes sense, as 60 plus 15 equals 75. Now let's learn. Learn how to write them. Always start from the left-hand side of the page. Write the important information like this. Number of marbles Ria has equals 75. Second important information here is the number of marbles given by Ria to her sister. So we will write number of marbles Ria gives to her sister equals 15. Now, write the information you have to find out. That is, number of marbles left with Ria. Always remember to write the digits in the correct place to get the correct answer. For example, under tens and ones. 75 minus 15 equals 60. Let us take another example. Mr. Max owned a bookshop. One day he told his son, Jack, to take care of the bookstore. There were 865 books in the shop. He told Jack to note down the number of books sold. He noted down the numbers of the books he sold. When his father returned, Jack told him that he had sold 534 books. Mr. Max wanted Jackson to calculate how many books were left. Jack knew the number of books in the store. He also knew the number of books he sold. He had to find out the number of books that were left. How do you think Jack did it? This is how it was done. He wrote, number of books in the shop was 865. Number of books sold 534. Number of books left 865 minus 534. Hundreds, tens, ones. 865 minus 534 equals 331. Recap. Let's do a quick recap. Follow these steps to solve the number stories. Step 1. Read the problem and understand it. Step 2. Find the important information in these problems. Step 3. Decide what to do. Step 4. Solve the problem. Step 5. Check your answer.